first phase of the 2019 Lok Sabha election is just 10 days away. All the political parties have begun their campaigning on war footing. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi kick-started BJP's campaign rallies in the state of Maharashtra. The state has 48 Lok Sabha seats, the second highest after Uttar Pradesh. In this state, BJP is in alliance with Shiv Sena, its long-time ally. Addressing the crowd in Wardha, PM Modi targeted the Congress-NCP alliance, labelling them Kumbhakaran. Slamming the Nationalist Congress Party and its chief Sharad Pawar, he said that Pawar had prime ministerial ambitions, but he is now happy with the Rajya Sabha seat as he knows which direction the wind is blowing. Modi indicated that Sharad Pawar has realized that the Congress-NCP alliance may not win.
एक समय था जब वो सोचते थे कि वो भी प्रधानमंत्री बन सकते हैं। उन्होंने ऐलान भी किया था कि वो चुनाव लड़ेंगे, लेकिन अचानक एक दिन बोले नहीं, मैं तो राज्यसभा में ही खुश हूं, मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा। शरद पवार जी भी जानते हैं कि हवा का रुख किस तरफ है।
This election is particularly interesting as the third generation of the Pawar family has entered poll fray. Sharad Pawar's grandson Parth Pawar is contesting from Mawal Lok Sabha seat. Earlier, there were speculations about it. However, later Sharad Pawar himself confirmed that Parth Pawar will contest from Mawal while he will not contest from Madha. PM Modi hinting at the family feud. He said that there is internal feud in the party and Sharad Pawar is losing control over the party. This is also one of the reasons why there have been issues in the ticket distribution. He also reminded people that it was during the rule of NCP that Pawar family had ordered firing on the farmers at Mawal.
मत भूलिए, जब मावल के किसान अपने अधिकार के लिए लड़ रहे थे, तो पवार परिवार ने उन पर गोली चलाने के आदेश दिए थे। साथियों, खुद एक किसान होने के बावजूद शरद पवार किसानों को भूल गए, उनकी चिंताओं को भूल गए। उनके कार्यकाल में ही कितने ही किसानों को खुदकुशी के लिए मजबूर होना पड़ा, लेकिन पवार साहब ने कोई परवाह नहीं की।
PM Modi accused that it was during the Congress-NCP rule that the term Hindu terrorism was invented. He said the Congress labeled peace-loving Hindus as terrorists. But the same Hindus are woken up now, and that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi has decided to run away from majority constituency, that is Amethi, to Wayanad, which is dominated by minority.
साथियों, वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स के लिए एनसीपी हो या कांग्रेस किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है। इस देश के करोड़ों लोगों पर हिंदू आतंकवाद का दाग लगाने का प्रयास कांग्रेस ने ही किया है। जिसको उन्होंने आतंकवादी कहा है, वो अब जाग चुका है, और इसलिए जिसको उन्होंने शांति प्रिय हिंदू समाज को, भाईचारे की जिंदगी जीने वाले हिंदू समाज को, पूरे विश्व को परिवार मानने वाले हिंदू समाज को आतंकी कह दिया, आतंकवाद हिंदू के साथ जोड़ दिया। इसके कारण अब उनकी हिम्मत नहीं पड़ रही है कि जहां पर मेजॉरिटी के लोग रहते हैं वहां चुनाव लड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं है। ये आतंकवादी हिंदू की सजा उनको मिल चुकी है, और इसलिए भाग करके जहां मेजॉरिटी माइनॉरिटी में है वहां शरण लेने के लिए मजबूर हो गए।
In Maharashtra, the Sena NCP have decided to contest on 23 and 25 seats respectively. In 2014, the alliance had won 42 seats. However, 2019 will not be a cakewalk as the NCP and Congress have been campaigning in the region extensively, swinging the voters in their favor. Later this year, Maharashtra will also go for assembly elections, so it will be one really interesting contest to look after. For more news and updates, stay tuned to HW News. Now you can also download our app from your Android store and Apple store.
HW News Network today is a year and a half old. Thanks to your support, thanks to your love, we've grown. We require your support a little more. what we request you to do is to download our free app. Our app is in Hindi, English and Marathi. We promise to update you with the latest news, views, analysis, interview. We also have a live TV going in that. If you download our app, we will get advertisers. And if we get advertisers, we'll get revenue. We get revenue, we can serve you better. So once again, please do support us. Please download our app. Namaskar.